Sarah, you ready?
Dude, I can't even get a push pop around that bitch. Hold on. In all honesty. Being open.
Do you know her number?
Yeah.
Why am I stretching?
Hold on.
Maybe it's relaxing you.
Woo! Wait! You're screaming. Wow. Okay. Wow. Wait, star 69 or 7?
7.
Okay.
I was thinking 69.
Me too.
You know what? You need to get your face out of the gutter.
That's the last two numbers in my, last number in my Facebook password. In case you don't know, 69.
Can we get...
Can you please call?
163. What's her phone number? 3. Don't say it out loud, you fuck fan. 3 fuck fan. Dude. 8.
Wait. 5.
Wait, 3855.
Wait, 338. Whatever.
Okay, just tell me. 338.
5564.
56.
I'm just kidding. I'm dyslexic. That wasn't it.
Cardinals to see.
Oh, shush.
I got a good one.
Hold the phone.
Dude, this is serious.
She's a pussy and doesn't answer. Answer your phone, motherfucker.
I like you.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, my name is Lakeisha, and I heard you were all up messing with Tyrone last night. Is that true? Who the fuck is this?
Alright, cool. Bye,
Did you say, okay, cool, bye, Sarah?
Oh my god. Dude, that was great.
So, I heard you were all up with Tyrone.
You should call her, dude. You should call her back with like a different accent.
Talking Australian. Hey, what's going on?
Oh, mate.
We didn't have to chill. There.
We're gonna have to chill.
I'm talking in Swedish, dude.
Wait, do it again.
No.
Wait, Brittany, call up your phone.
Oh, God. Can you do a voice that she won't recognize?
I can.
I mean, she is.
You're saying Spanish?
I was like, I mean,
I don't even know what you just said.
Let me do that. Let me do that.
Oh my god.
Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up?
guys, it me.
Here's listen to my Britney Spears CDs.
You hang out with this please. I'm having fun. My name is Samantha. And I like the name Samantha.
Dude, put the music back on. This is getting a little too nerdy.
Should I stop recording?
Yeah.